Create control panel shortcut on desktop. Step 1. Open the Windows 11 Settings app. Navigate to Personalization greater than themes page. Step 2. In the related settings page, click the desktop icon settings link to open the same. Step 3. Here, select the control panel checkbox and then click the Apply button to immediately add the control panel icon to your Windows 11 desktop. First, you need to connect the device. Next, set up the IP. Open Control Panel. IP address 2.1.1.10. Submit mask 250-5.0.0.0. We set the network converter IP. IP address 2.1.1.50.6. Submit mask 250-5.0.0.0. Output port 0. ArtNet to DMX. Next, copy your lighting fixtures library to the MA2 onPC directory. Open the directory for your corresponding MA2 onPC version. Copy to the directory. Open the MA2 onPC software. Click Setup. Click MA Network Control. Select the one we just set up, IP address 2.1.1.10. The setup is complete. We need to close the software and save. After restarting the software, the IP address we set will take effect. Click Create Session. Our IP has been added successfully. Mode selection, Output Auto. You can set the coolant to the output ports of your network converter. If you have an 8-channel output, then you set it from 1 to 8. Turn everything on. Green indicates a successful connection. Port 0 corresponds to universe 1 or your designated start universe. Next, install the light fixtures. Naming. Search for the name of the lighting fixture library we just copied into the directory to pair it. We only connected one light fixture. OK, I can already control the light output.